Venki, I'll start with you. What do you think will be the most possible scenario here? The fourth team that you think will make through based on the current point table?
I would still go with Rajasthan Royals. They just need one win. They've got two games to go, and they just need one win. And they would definitely look to win tomorrow's game against Kings 11 Punjab at Mohali. Having said that, yes, they need to really work hard. They need to get their selection right. They need to get their team right, and that's when it's possible as far as the Rajasthan Royals are concerned.
Okay, do you know one thing about Hyderabad? I know they won that game. They had David Warner play the start of the inning. Why didn't they do this to begin with?
I don't know. That's the big thing. CSK finishing the season off as bad as Mumbai started it. Really, it's been like that. And this is my point. I keep saying is that you've got to try and get like 4 or 5 wins under your belt in a hurry in the first 6 or 7 games, and that's why. Though getting guys in form and getting some of those practice matches that they sometimes play, guys in form straight away, and that carries it on. I don't know about the other two boys, but I hated going into a season without having a 50 under my belt after not playing a practice match. So that's the key, getting guys in form right from the get-go, and they fiddle around with their batting order. But I tell you the common denominator we're learning, have an opening batsman making runs, have a middle order batter whacking the living daylights out of it, with Shakib has been absolutely brilliant, say for KKR, and having guys can bowl the first 4 overs and who can bowl the last 2 overs. You have those guys, you're good to go. You've got a successful team. Okay,
you put the other two on the spot to ask them which is the most likely team, and have Chennai really dipped in form. You think the most likely scenario now? Who do you think will be the fourth team?
I'm worried about Rajasthan.
Okay.
They play Mumbai and they play Kings 11. I'm worried about them getting through.
So which is the team you think might get through?
It's either Mumbai or Hyderabad, and I'm 50-50. It depends. I can't say because we don't know who's in the team.
Just
and
the gut
not.
feeling that, You're the expert. Okay, final word to Ajit. Ajit, your pick, the fourth team that you think will make through?
Yeah, I'm going to stick with Rajasthan. I think they've had a couple of days off to maybe gather their thoughts, and they'll probably get that one victory that's needed. And they're still, their run rate's pretty good. So I expect Rajasthan to go through.
Okay, and I would hope that Mumbai go through just for the fact that Dino said he's got that little bit of head left. That will also be chopped off. So as he said, they are not going to make it into the Final Four. Well, that seems like a possibility. Still, thanks so much for joining us, Dean Jones, Ajit Agarkar and Venkatesh Prasad.